I am Nagaraj GB, Department of Computer Science, Koteshwar College, Kottur. Today's session discussion about practical classes of computer graphics. We already discussed and already execution of the programs like line, triangle, circle, different type of designs in computer. Okay, using the computer graphics like this platform, like x-axis and y-axis. It's totally different from common plots of graphs. Okay, but today class is explaining. Already you know the how to draw a line like DD algorithm, Bresenham's algorithm in theory classes. Okay, how to execution for the program, how to algorithm is executed. But today's section to discuss about Bresenham's circle drawing algorithm. How to obtain circle in the computer using the algorithm of Bresenham's. Okay, in DD algorithm, so many demerits in drawing for line, but this drawback is avoided. This drawback is overcome to the Bresenham's line drawing algorithm. Okay, you already know in theory part, but today's session discuss about how to generate circle. Okay, how to generate circle. There is a problem here. Already written the circle. Okay, this is the point P1 x comma y. This is the first point. This is called actant. Actant means 8. Okay, actant. This is the x comma y, y comma x. Okay, P2, P3 minus y x, P4 minus x plus y. Okay, P5 minus x minus y, minus y minus x. Okay, y comma minus x comma minus y, 8. This is actant. This circle, how to draw a circle using the algorithm of Bresenham. Okay, there is an example here. Okay, before example, first you know the what is the algorithm in the Bresenham. Okay, first algorithm step 1, romantic answer x equals 0, y equals r. This is the formula obtained in the theory part. Okay, also Bresenham circle drawing algorithm d equals 3 minus 2 asterisk r. This is the formula to obtain solve the problem of Bresenham's line algorithm in theory part. Okay, already written the distance 3 minus 2 asterisk r. Okay, y x less than y equal to y. Okay, put plan pixel x plus h comma y plus k in the what center of a circle h comma k. Okay, h comma k is the center of the circle. Center of the circle. Like put pixel x comma y comma d. Step number 5. Step number 6. If d less than 0, if else condition d less than 0, condition is true, condition is false. Okay, condition is true, either condition is false. Step number 7, x equals x plus 1, increment is there. Finally enter. This is the algorithm to draw a circle using Bresenham. Okay, one example. Find out the pixel location for the second actant of the circle having center at 0 0 and radius 8. Okay, already given the point here. Okay, you know that x equals 0, x equals 0, y equals 8, r equals 8. How to return? In the algorithm, x equals 0 is also in the second step, y equals r, y equals r. So written as y equals 8, r equals 8. Okay, the value is not taken, x equals 0, y equals 8 and r equals 8. Apply the algorithm formula like d less than 0. Okay, d less than 0, there is applicable the formula. Okay, 3 minus 2. Okay, for step number 3rd, sorry, step number 3rd, d equals 3 minus 2 asterisk r. Therefore d equals 3 minus 2 asterisk r means 8. Okay, 3 minus 16, obtain the value of minus 13. Okay, minus 13 while loop. x less than equal to y, 0 less than equal to 8. Okay, if condition, go to next statement, if minus 13 less than 0. Okay, the first condition is execution, minus 13 plus 4 asterisk 0, minus 13 is the one d. Okay, 4 x means 0, okay, plus 6, this is the formula. Therefore d equals minus 3 plus 6 minus 7, therefore 7. Okay, already obtained the value in d equals minus 7. Go to the 7th step, x equals x plus 1, increment here, therefore 0 plus 1, finally x equals 1. This is the first tracing. This points on carry for the second step, x equals 1, therefore x equals 1, y equals this constant, nothing to change, radius is constant because the assign the value, d equals minus 7, okay, d equals minus 7. Again check out the condition, minus 1 less than equal to 8. Okay, x equals 1, y equals 8, d equals minus 7. Return the formula. Okay, if condition minus 7 less than equal to 0, therefore according to that formula obtain the values, d equals minus 3. Already know the values. Okay, 4, like what, this one, x means 1, okay, x equals 1 plus 6, the value is obtained, d equals 3. Therefore finally step number 7, x equals 1 plus 1, 2, therefore x value is 2. Again return the third step. Okay, x equals 2, increment the value in the 7th step, increment the value, 1 plus 1, 2, d equals 3. Okay, y is constant, y equals 8, nothing to change the value. Okay, radius, for first beginning assign the value, y equal to r. Okay, not confusing, y equals r, therefore y, the check out the condition, 2 less than equal to 8, therefore x equals 2, y equals 8, d equals 3. If condition 3 less than 0, okay, 3 less than 0, the condition execution for the second step. Okay, 3 plus 4, 2 minus 8, second. If else condition here, first first condition is execution, this is the second condition is execution. Okay, 2 minus 8 plus 10, 3 minus 4 minus 6 plus 10, therefore 3 minus 24 plus 10, therefore d equals obtain the value for minus 11 in the third step, but there is one condition here, y equals y minus 1, y, what is the value of y, 8. Okay, 8 minus 1 equals 7, decrement, therefore again increment go to the 7th step, increment the value, x equals 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, 2. Okay, next where the value, x equals 3, y equals 7, d equals minus 7. Okay, pressing the next step. Okay, y 3 less than equal to 7, x equals 3, y equals 7, d equals minus 11. If condition minus 11 less than equal to 0, therefore minus 7 plus 4 asterisk 3, 3 the value of x. Okay, plus 6 minus 11 plus 2 plus 6 minus 11 plus 8, the value is obtained, d equals 7. Okay, therefore only first condition is applied. Okay, there is no need for y equals y minus 1. Next increment the values, step number 7, x equals 3 plus 1, therefore 4, x value is the 4. Go to the next step, x equals 4, y equals 7, d equals also 7. So, go to the next step, y 4 less than equal to 7. Okay, x equals 4, y equals 7, d equals 7. The condition is, check out the condition, if 7 less than equal to 0, d, the formula 7 plus 4. Okay, the condition is failed. Okay, go to the second condition, therefore 7 less than 0, 7 plus 4 asterisk 4 minus 7, second condition is execution, 4 minus 7 plus 10. Okay, 7 plus 4 minus 3 plus 10, the value is obtained, d equals 5. Again in the second formula, y equals y minus 1, y is the value of 7. Okay, in previous step already decrement 8 minus 1 7, this is 7 minus 1 6. Okay, x equals 4 minus 4 plus 1, increment the value of 5. Okay, x equals 5, y equals 6. Go to the next step, d equals 5, y, check out the condition, y 5 less than equal to 7. Okay, x equals 5, y equals 6, d equals 5. Check out that condition is d less than equals to 0, 5 less than equal to 0. Obtain the value. Second step is execution. 5 plus 4 asterisk 5 minus 6 plus 10, 5 minus 4 plus 10, obtain the value, d equals 11. Therefore y equals y minus 1. Okay, 8 7 6, y equals 6 minus 1 5. Therefore increment the value, go to the seventh step, x equals 5 plus 1 equals 6. Finally check out that condition, x equals 6, y equals 5, d equals 11. Y 6 less than equal to 5, condition is failed, therefore outside the loop. Therefore these are all the steps. Obtain the value, plot in monitor this type. Okay, this type values are obtained in the after the execution of the program. This is the tracing the program. Okay, in practically I show the how to value the execution. Okay, written the program in Turbo C. Okay, already written. But how to value the values are obtained in the tracing the program. Finally, x, y, d. This is the all the values are written in one platform. First and 0, 8 minus 13. First tracing the value 1 8 minus 7. Similarly, okay, 2 8 3. 3 7 minus 11, 4 7 7, 5 6 5. Okay, this is the value to plant the circle in execution of the program in the computer graphics. Okay, I would like to the explaining execution of the program in practically. Okay, I show the monitor in the screen. Okay, but I would like to explain in the practical session in execution of the program. This is the program to execution for circle. Draw a circle using Bresenham's algorithm. Already explained. Okay. In execution, how to trace the program. In the practical execution, execution for circle. Okay. Write a using for CPP, computer graphics using CPP program. Okay. Using the software Turbo CPP. Like already written the program. Save the .cpp extension forum. Preprocessor statement. This is the class Bresenham circle algorithm using for ponyo.h, mathematically math.h, using for computer graphics program. The header file is graphics.h. Okay, there is a two section in here according to the class, like private section or public section. Private declaration of variables, like what in the public the functions are written, calculation section or input section. Okay, this is the outside the class. Written the formula, void, class name, scope resolution operator, input function. Okay, this is the closing the. Okay, this is the class. Already knowing the concept of explaining in CPP program. CPP using computer graphics. This is the outside the class, written for the formula. Okay, input the values like center of the circle, like enter the radius. Okay, next void Bresenham circle. Outside the class, written the another function like calculation function. This is the input function, this is the calculation function. Okay, already know algorithm, already explained how to trace the program, how to obtain the points in the logic way. Already explained in the second time. Okay, like the same algorithm like x equals 0, y equals r. Already know 3 minus 2 asterisk r. Okay, C out, like the printed the formula C out. Okay, this is the output function. C out and C in CPP program. C in printf and scanf. Obtained while loop x less than y or x less than equal to y. Okay, like return the pixel values. Already known x plus h and y plus k. Already return and obtain the value, and already printing in the graphics screen. Okay, like these are the put pixel according to the actant. Already know draw a circle. Okay, in 8 actant position. This written in put pixel. Okay, if d less than 0, the condition 1 is executed, successfully executed. Condition fail, other condition executed. That is called if else condition. Okay, this is the formula. In second condition, y minus minus decrement linear. In 7th step, x plus plus increment the x value. This is the program. This is the already in the all this computer graphics program. GD equals detect comma GM is the declaration. Init graph, address of GD, address of GM. This is the path. Okay, BGI like creation for object. Bresenham circle has. Okay, there is a two function. One of the input function. Second one is the call function. Finally gets here. This is the return for the Bresenham's circle algorithm using CPP program. Okay, first compile the program. Okay, there is a no error. Successfully execution the program. Press any key. Okay, Alt F9 for compile the program and run the program. Control F9. I give the input the value. Okay, 200 x. Okay, 200 y. Okay, the platform. What it is the position of the return, the circle. Okay, already in session for in tracing the program. Okay, tracing the program, this value obtained. Okay, in the section of tracing the program in previous tracing the program using algorithm. Okay, and the same values is obtained in the execution of the program in practical section. This is the same. Okay, dx comma y, changing their positions only, and 200 is the position where it is the drawn the circle. Okay, this is the circle. This is the values. Using that value, draw a circle using Bresenham's line algorithm. This is the tracing the program. This value is equal to the execution of the program. This is called Bresenham's circle algorithm. Okay, first you know the first basically how to trace the program, how to obtain the value tracing the program. In secondly, execution of the program. This is very important to learn. The values is obtained. Okay, both theoretical section and both practical section. This is very important algorithm in the computer graphics. Bresenham's circle algorithm and the practical section, and both are theory section. It is important for the practical section and also theory part. Okay, thank you.